Hello, we are live. Okay, so I thought while everybody is getting busy and doing things on an evening, I've got a few minutes before I set up the classroom for this evening's watercolour class. So I thought I'll show you a really quick Christmas, arty crafty Christmas make for greeting cards or gift tokens or gift tags, that kind of thing. Really simple that anybody any age can do, and all you need is a bit of watercolour paper, a pencil, ultramarine watercolour paint, 2 brushes and 3 coins, and I'm going to show you how to make an 8p snowman. So a little bit of a line for the land to go there. It's only going to be a small piece. Then I'm going to go in with my brush, big brush, lots of water. Oh, you will need a pen as well, a marker pen or a liner pen. Bit of water. So we'll go in with a bit more water, in with the ultramarine. Make it nice and inky. Right, then we're going to cover the area down to the snow. We'll make it a little bit lumpier, I think, so it looks a bit more snowy. Right, is that the right about the size? I think that'll do. Okay. To bump it there like that. So what you do to make your snowman is get some kitchen roll, wrap the 2p piece nice and tightly, and give it a bit of a twist. Not too hard because it'll push the coin off. So you've got almost like a button. Put that on the line and lift it off, and you've got the bottom half of the body of the snowman. Then move on to the penny. Do exactly the same thing. I've moved the kitchen roll up a little bit, so we've got there, and then I'll pop that there. And then we've got one more coin, which is a 5p piece, and we'll put that on. Give that a little twist. So we've got, that's our 8p snowman. I might do a little bit of shadow in the snow like that, and then get the hairdryer on it very quickly. There we go. And then we'll go with the pen, a little bit of coal for his buttons, and we can maybe do a twig arm and that one. Some coal for his little smile. Maybe a coal nose and eyes. A square. A funny little shape. We could do a little stripy thing there. For a scarf, and then let's give him a nice curvy line here. He's ready for his hat, and there's his hat. Give him a blue band. And shade that in. So this is a really lovely way of adding a personal feel to your Christmas cards or your gift tags. Anything really this time of year. So we've got our little 8p snowman. Have fun.